Eden and Adam here from Surtees Boats. I'm calling from the Hutchwilco Boat Show. Do you know why I'm calling?
Oh my God!
Join us as we deliver the 2019 Hutchwilco prize boat from Surtees HQ to its lucky new owner Eden in the South Island. Day 1 is on the road, all the way down the North Island to Mana Marina. Day 2 and we're just about to cross the Cook Strait. Bloody beautiful, isn't it? Wow. So we are just poking our nose out into the Cook Strait now, and unfortunately the conditions are glass. So here we are at the entrance of the Queen Charlotte Sounds. She was a little bit different once we got out into the middle, but here we are, South Island. Finally made it. We are about to pull up and meet Eden for the first time. He'll stand on the wharf. He will be absolutely stoked.
Yeah, baby! Mate, it has really just brought this all to reality. Wow. Man. Let's go. Let's go. Let me touch it. Yeah. Get on there. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Man. It's working. I better get on, eh? Come aboard. Everyone, get on my boat. Oh, jump on, don't be shy. What do you think? This is amazing. Unbelievable, man. Wow. Yeah, baby! She's real. She's all go. Look at you.
There are the keys to your brand new 750
Thank
game
you
fisher.
so much. Awesome. Wow, this is amazing. Woohoo! Finally here. Thanks Surtees and Yamaha New Zealand and everyone that made an Hutchwilco boat show and wow, made this all come to be. Really, and all the other sponsors. I mean, there's too many to list, but you guys know who you are. So, man, thank you so much. This is amazing. Awesome.
No, you deserve it.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah,
baby!
Nice.
Nice.
Dude, sick. Oh, well, should we go?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Love it.
Like that.
What a day. What a day to be alive. That's cranking, eh? Yes! Yeah, it's still got that feel on mine. A good fit, is it? Oh, it's a good fit, mate. Like a glove, like a glove. Yeah, you can be in these shoes right now.
Bloody over awesome, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, all over it.